Welcome to In the Kitchen with Verla. I'm Verla Burger, your host of today, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make rice. Now, this is a cardboard tube, and if you have any question about how on earth it got here, watch the rest of the video, because this video is actually taken after I already filmed. The rice, already made, already yummy, super great. Piece of advice, don't follow this as a tutorial until you've seen the mistake. You'll know when I get it. So you just don't follow along. Read the instructions first, boil water, then add stuff. I did it wrong, so just don't mind that. But otherwise, enjoy the video on how to make rice and a little snippet of my life and random goofy things. So please don't kill yourself. I'm making rice today, and I already started. Here's my rice. We're gonna put the rice in. We're making a cup of rice, so you can follow me along. I have no idea what I'm doing, but there are instructions on the back of this, so you and I will be learning together. Here we have our 1 cup of rice. We're gonna dump it into the pan. Definitely don't have rice all over the whole stove. As Verla doesn't do that. I don't even know what it is anymore. Oh, here's the lid. When you're done, you put your lid on just so it doesn't fall and get rice all over the floor. Now, Mom said to do, for every 1 cup, do a little bit, like almost 2 cups. So it would be 1.5 cups of water. Is this for 1 cup of rice? Oh, 1.5 cup of water. Okay. So you get 1.5 cups of water. So we're gonna fill this up. And very carefully bring it back. And I would very carefully grab it. It's very full. We're going to dump it. Now get a 1/2 cup. There's our 1/2 cup. And there we have it. Now, for the instructions. So we have our butter. It said 1 tablespoon. Oh my goodness. I was expecting it to be a little bit easier to cut. That was very difficult. It's sliding a lot. That's close enough. Good. Put it back. So mix in our wonderful looking rice. It says covered lid. Oh, bring water to a boil first. Then you cover the lid. Okay, so we bring water to a boil. Over here. So right where high. That is the stove. Keep our instructions. And then it says water to a boil, and then after it's boiling, oops, you're supposed to boil the water, then add the rice, and I did not do that at all. We're gonna save it. Don't worry, we'll save it. It'll be fine. It's not gonna be fine. Don't judge. This is. Are you getting this? This is what happens when Verla tries cooking and doesn't read the instructions first and thinks she knows what she's doing. And she really doesn't. Okay. Here we go. I'm pouring. Oh, this is terrible. Ah, I'm so scared. Oh, please. The water, if it goes anywhere besides the strainer. Try to get the grains. Oh, this is terrible. This is not supposed to happen. We're gonna put it on top of our little cup measurement. There's no way that just worked. Okay, pour this back in. Now, we're gonna continue. We're going to boil our water now. Just move this concoction a little bit. That was not witnessed by you. I started the rice with the water. It started boiling it. Terrible. It's fine. Okay, so now we have the water, which is simmering. I hear it. To the water. Ooh, the water's hot. It's not quite boiling, but it's hot. I think we're probably good enough. Not sure how to do this, but we'll just add all the rice in. wasted a whole lot of rice by doing this. I don't think I saved anything. I think it can still cook fine. Okay, I'm gonna stir it in. Okay, I'm gonna reduce heat to low. Do the risky thing. I'm gonna follow the instructions. To low, put on lid, set a timer. 15 minutes. I'm gonna start another recipe, which is called hummus. And I'm not prepared, so just give me a second and I'll be right back and we'll be making hummus. So here we go. Hello?
Please leave your message for...
Okay, so this is not looking good. I need chickpeas. I texted her. She doesn't usually check her phone, like, ever. And I just called her. That was a fail. So, don't know if I'll be able to make hummus. So, let's get back onto the rice. Let's check. Ooh. Actually, no joke, looks pretty good. Set a timer. Now, I'm gonna go do something fun while I wait. Want you to live like the world's on fire. Want you to love like hearts don't break. Never look down when you walk the wire, like she made it. She made it. Oh, want you to live like the world's on fire. Want you to love like hearts don't break. Never look down when you walk the wire, like she made it. 48, still made your birthday cake. I'm so nervous. Oh dear. Look at that. I did the same thing twice. Okay, never put it down like that, because then you have to pick it up. Okay. So now you know, Verla is sometimes a terrible cook, sometimes a wonderful cook. This is one where she had just a bit of mistakes. It said fluff up with fork, whatever that means. I think I'm gonna just leave it on heat for now. Like not on the heat, but like on this area. It's gonna be pretty hot for a while. And then put this over here. And I think I'm gonna put it on my ingredients and then surprise my mom when she gets home with some fresh this, and hopefully she surprises me with some chickpeas when she gets back, because if you saw the whole video, you should have seen the phone call. So 3 ways I tried FaceTime video, actually calling, and that didn't work. And then you also got to see a snippet of my everyday life. Everyday life for me is, well, just singing karaoke. So now you know part of my life, and you know how to make rice. So congratulations. Definitely don't follow this step by step, because I don't want you making the same mistake I did. So yes. So I'm going to make an intro to the video so that it advises people not to follow along with me, so that nobody ends up, dying. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Verla. This is a segment I've been wanting to start for a very long time, and it's actually about cooking. And today, cooking rice. Whenever I start a video, phone rings or something. Unknown. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Every time I try to make an introduction, I get interrupted. That was our phone. Try this again. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Verla. I'm Verla. No, I'm not a podcaster here. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Verla, my new segment as part of Victoria's Verla's channel. Here is our... Nope. Terrible introduction. I literally suck at these introductions. Okay. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Verla, my new segment for Victoria's Verla. I'm gonna start a cooking thing, yeah, on my channel. Here's my yummy rice preview, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. I should be on Disney Channel. Like, wait, ready, guys? No, hi, my name's Verla, and you're watching Victoria's Verla. Ding! I can be on Disney. Literally. I'm sorry. You're gonna see like so many bloopers in this video. Like you will see Verla whacking the counter with her thing, Verla singing during waiting time, Verla calling her mom, which was a complete failure, and let me think, there are any other bloopers? Tons of them. I make tons of mistakes, y'all. So, see ya. Bye. That was so cringy. Ugh.